my timer to say ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
You guys, it's a new Guinness World Record! I don't believe it. I just snapped my arm. I was so dumb. Oh no. I have to do it the old-fashioned way. I have to peel the stickers off. Or I could solve it blindfolded. Does anyone have anything I can use as a blindfold? Earlier someone had a scarf and that was cool.
Why don't you stand right here and then just do like one overhand knot, and I think that'll keep it safe. Okay, good. Over here. Okay, one around here. Now just. No, this is just, you guys, I'm not starting yet. I just have to look so I remember what algorithm to start with. Okay. Your life is a timer. Just say ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah, since I have photographic memory and since I know the algorithm, watching it, you're going to see it layer by layer. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that could be bad. Or if I messed up, then it's already messed up. Okay, how close is it? You know that now I'm going to have to solve that one, and I'm going to have to solve that one. It's going to be twice as much. Wait a minute. Look really close at those patterns.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh wait, is that side the same?
Yeah.
It is. And that side? Yes. And that side? And the top? And the bottom? You weren't helping at all.
I know.
You're just standing there laughing. Come on, you guys. I can't believe that. Wait, let's try something. Put that right there. And I want you to stand right here, right on the trapdoor. And then, just put your hands behind your back and hold the key. Don't twist it yet, though. Now, can you see my hands?
Yes.
I want you to copy me as close as you can. So the first move, now just my feel. Now don't worry, just do your best. Okay, here's the first move. You're going to twist it, and you're going to grab it with your other hand like that. So now it should only be held by your right hand. Are we synchronized?
Yes.
Okay, here's the next move. You're going to twist it like that, and then grab it like that. Okay? Okay, don't move. Okay, no, so far you're perfect. Okay, here's the next move. Twist it, and grab it over there. Okay, there's only 87 more moves. And the next one, then you're going to twist like that, like that, and then actually there's only 2 more moves. Twist it, grab over there, and then twist like that. And then, now when we're done, you're going to bring it around, and everyone's going to go crazy.
Thanks to you guys. Thanks for coming out to this part of the